Field surveyors in Saket play a crucial role in the construction and design industry. They are responsible for collecting accurate data and information about a particular site or area. These professionals are trained to use various tools and techniques to measure and document different aspects of the land, such as its topography, boundaries, and existing infrastructure. The data collected by field surveyors is then used by architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the design and construction process to create accurate maps, blueprints, and plans. Saket, a prominent residential and commercial area in Delhi, requires skilled field surveyors to assist in the development and design of various projects. The demand for field surveyors in Saket is high due to the rapid urbanization and infrastructure development taking place in the area. These surveyors are often hired by architectural firms, construction companies, real estate developers, and government agencies to conduct surveys for land acquisition, road construction, building construction, and other development projects. One of the leading firms providing field surveying services in Saket is SCON Design. SCON Design is a reputable company that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying solutions for a wide range of projects. With their team of experienced field surveyors, SCON Design has gained a strong reputation for delivering accurate and reliable surveying services to clients in Saket and the surrounding areas. The field surveyors at SCON Design are equipped with advanced surveying equipment and technologies to ensure precise measurements and data collection. They are well trained in using tools such as total stations, GPS receivers, laser scanners, and drones to gather accurate information about the site. These tools enable them to capture detailed data about the terrain, existing structures, utilities, and other important features that need to be considered during the design and construction process. SCON Design understands the importance of timely delivery and accuracy in surveying projects. Their field surveyors are known for their efficiency, attention to detail, and ability to meet strict deadlines. They work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their needs. Whether it's conducting a topographic survey, boundary survey, or utility survey, the team at SCON Design ensures that the data collected is accurate and reliable. In conclusion, field surveyors in Saket play an essential role in the design and construction industry by providing accurate data and information about the site. Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries and sectors, providing vital data and information that is essential for decision-making processes. In the bustling city of Delhi, one of the prominent locations for field surveyors is Saket. Saket, located in the southern part of the city, is known for its commercial and residential developments, making it an ideal area for conducting surveys and assessments. The expertise and skills of field surveyors in Saket are highly sought after by companies and organizations looking to gather accurate data on various aspects such as demographics, infrastructure, and market trends. One of the leading companies in the field survey industry in Saket is SCON Design. Known for their professionalism